Wagwan Massive and Crew, big up on yourself. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am sharing with you a Jamaican dry jerk rub recipe. So Jamaican dry jerk rub consists of various spices. You can use your favorite spices, however cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and pimento must be used in order for it to call a jerk rub. Now use this dry jerk rub to season your chicken and pork as well for jerking. So in Jamaica we do not use the wet jerk sauce to season chicken, neither pork for jerking. So jerk chicken recipe will be coming up soon, and also I will be making the wet jerk seasoning to show you. Well, it's not the wet jerk seasoning, it's the wet jerk sauce, because it's actually a sauce. So we're gonna show you. So I will show you how we use the wet jerk sauce in Jamaica. It's straight in a Jamaica thing, original Jamaica. So remember to subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video to this channel. Until next time, walk good, stay blessed. Using some Badia complete seasoning. Chicken seasoning. Black pepper, all-purpose, jerk seasoning. So this is the jerk spice, right? Paprika, nutmeg, that's ground nutmeg, cinnamon, and I am using a few pimento seeds that I am gonna crush